Greetings, everyone. This is the Traveler Man here, showing you my brand new camera I just purchased last week. As you can see, I did purchase a kit that came in with the camera and other accessories. So this bag, was one of the accessories that came in with the package. I bought it from Amazon. I'll post a link in the details. So basically, this is the box, right? The box with the camera. Basically, it came in with the camera, charger, some small accessories like the little rope to pull in to attach the camera. And this box, basically, some of the stuff I put in here didn't come with the camera. They came in off. So let's say the memory stick didn't come with the camera, but it came in with the kit. And I just put it there because when I was putting stuff together, I just managed to put some stuff here. This also didn't come with the camera. It came in as an add-on in the kit. I just put in this box. So, and this came in within this box, and until now I'm still trying to figure out what's the use of this thing. I don't know. So the box did come with the manual, and the manual was a great help because there were some things I didn't know. I still have yet to study this camera, so I'm gonna be doing in a few coming days and months. That's what I do with everything new. And it came in with this piece right here, and this came in with the camera. So besides the other stuff that I took out, this is what pretty much came with the camera. And then right here, how I'm about to show you this camera. This is what came in this box. And let's see, the piece right here, because the camera came in, this lens right here came in with this box. So this is what come inside the actual box. And then I purchased, what came with the kit was this right here. So I'll be using this from time to time, but yeah, this is what came in with the kit. So even though I'm showing you the actual camera that I purchased, I'm also showing you some of the add-ons that came in with the kit. So that's the good thing. The kit was like $550 bucks. So I'll recommend you buying the stuff that comes in with the camera that comes in with all the kits. There's different ones. So this one I basically chose it for the best based on my budget. You know, there's pros and cons because some kit will have some items that you really need, and then some kit will have things that you don't really need, but they may have only one thing that you need. So you're like, why would I sacrifice all this just for that one thing? So it's a gamble, but pretty much everything that comes here based on some of the reviews and my brothers, who they got something similar. They said it's best to have things that give you everything that you basically need on a regular basis. But if you want to go advanced, then that's when you have to cough up some cash. But this right here, based on the money that I spent, if you were to buy those things individually, it would be way more money. It's probably gonna be around like 800 bucks. So this was a good purchase. What else? This didn't come with the camera. This came as an add-on in the kit, and I believe this came in with the camera. When you buy the camera, this comes with it. If not, that means it came. Yeah, I think this came in with the kit. I don't remember for sure. Let's see. I want to verify because yeah, I probably should have left everything in there because I bought it last week and I was playing with it. So, but the charger, this charger came in with the box. And what else came in with the box? This also came in with the box. It's like a kit for the camera, I believe, to hook it up. So I'll probably figure out what's the use for this, but I put it all in the box. So let's see. Let me put all these things down and just lift the camera so I can show you. The charger is already inside, so let me remove this. Time to use both hands. I was just putting this to protect the screen, but another package that's coming today is gonna be, it includes the screen protector. And at first I thought it was gonna be a touch screen, but it wasn't. It's not. Yeah, I have no use for this. Okay, here's the camera. All right, let me just show you a general thing. Time is running out. I wanted to make this review like 5-7 minutes, but here's what you put in. To take off. Put it back. And here below, that's where you put the battery. I did charge it and I put the 32 gig SD card in. Let me turn it on so you can see. All right, it's off. Press on. I had it in sports, so let me try to go regular picture. Since I have the screen off, let me take it off. Alright, it's blurry. Let's see. Yeah, just wanted to show you that it turns on. I think yeah. So I wanted to show you that it turns on and off. The menu, play, some of the recording I did. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me turn it off. Alright. So there you have it. This is my brand new camera. I can't wait to start using it pretty soon when I go outside. Just play, take some shots, practice shots, and see how they come out. And you know, and hopefully when I record some audio with this camera, I'll post it here so you can see how it works. So right now I'm using my iPhone. Let's see, I'll zoom out. As you can see, I'm using my iPhone right now, and you see how it's adjusting. Yeah. Alright guys, just wanted to make a short video to show you this is my brand new camera, and the little attachment did come with the box with the camera, the original package. So stay tuned for more videos. I'm basically doing this series showing you all the items I've purchased, since I'll be recording all my traveling journey, going outside of the country and within the different states, since I do a lot of traveling. Alright, stay tuned. Peace.